Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use Volvo XC90 Easy Method. Start by adjusting seat and mirrors, then set drive mode and pair your phone via Bluetooth. Use the central screen to control navigation and climate with simple taps. Familiarize yourself with adaptive cruise and lane assist before driving. Practice parking with sensors and the rear camera in a quiet lot. Check tire pressure and oil regularly to keep your XC90 running smoothly. Let's explore the interior controls so you feel confident instantly. The center screen handles media, navigation, and phone pairing with clear menus and touch gestures. Use the physical climate knobs for quick temperature changes and the seat controls for lumbar and seat heating adjustments. Remember to set up driver profiles to save preferences and mirror positions. Keep essential items in the glove box and center console for easy access during drives. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks that stay comfortable on long drives and come with a lifetime warranty. They fit well, wick moisture, and save you money over time. I appreciate every like and subscription. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now I will guide you through key driving features for safer trips. Activate adaptive cruise to maintain distance and use lane assist to stay centered in traffic. Engage pilot assist only when conditions are suitable and always keep hands on the wheel. Use hill descent for steep slopes and switch to off-road mode if needed. Practice regenerative braking gently to maximize efficiency and monitor the dashboard prompts for alerts and tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.